How to block a YouTube channel. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So as for now, there is no such settings or no such feature of blocking a YouTube channel. But what you can do instead is simply go to the channel and then select don't recommend channel. After that, the videos from that channel will not be recommended to you. You can also report user or report the channel if you think they are your violating the YouTube community standard. Simply go to report, select the option, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.